Don't judge a book by its cover. We have heard this proverb many times in our life, but do we really follow that? Let's talk about millionaires. What comes in our mind when we think about millionaires? Having a big car collection, luxurious houses, branded clothes, watches, that's it? Here we do judge a book by its cover. Looks can be deceiving. Rich appearance cannot be the only indicator to identify a millionaire. There are many millionaires who don't spend money on luxury. They prefer a simple lifestyle over luxurious. We never know, such millionaire might be in our neighborhood who look ordinary but truly extraordinary. Two friends from America wanted to discover a path to become a millionaire and started their journey to find out the answer. In the journey, they met many millionaires. After meeting those people, they found out secrets of becoming real wealthy. They decided to share their experience with everyone, so they compiled each and every discovery of their journey in we all know by the name of Millionaire Next Door. Those noblemen who wrote this book are Thomas D. Stanley and William D. Danko. Authors have given different perspectives to look at millionaires. Normally we think wealth is equal to net income of a person, but that's not true. Real wealth is what we accumulate, in other words, our net worth, and not what we spend. On the, on the basis of this, authors have categorized millionaires in PAW, that is prodigious accumulator of wealth, and UAW, under accumulator of wealth. Wealth accumulation is indicated by net worth. Accepted net worth is calculated by formula age of a person multiplied by net income of that person divided by 10. When expected net worth of a person is less than equal to actual net worth, then he comes in POW category. And when expected net worth is greater than actual net worth, then he comes in UAW category. This book has explained 7 characteristics of a wealthy, which will help us to develop ourselves to become wealthy. We are presenting these 7 characteristics in 4 separate videos. So let's get started with our first characteristics. Frugal. Frugal is a behavior of being cautious about money. Being frugal is considered as a base of wealth building. High income billionaires know how to increase their net income, but they are not cautious about spending. They earn more to spend more because it gives them gratification. On the other hand, typical millionaire people who are real wealth builders know how to handle their money by being cautious. They think it's wasteful to have lifestyle of lavish spending and hyperconsumption. They believe in playing defense. Let's understand how real millionaires use their frugal behavior to become more wealthy. Operating annual budget. Have you ever planned your family budget? Frugal millionaires always control their spending through budget. Well, it's no fun to allocate money in various consumption categories and also not for millionaires. But it's way more easier than never being able to retire and never being able to financially independent. Analyze spending on the basis of necessities. Have you ever calculated your family's spending on food, clothing and shelter? Well, frugal millionaires do. In the case of high-income millionaires, they don't have any idea about how much they spend every year because of their hyper-consumption habits and increasing unnecessary expenses. But typical millionaires think differently. To become financially independent, they believe in budgeting and planning their domestic consumption, which keeps them away from financial worry. Define your goal. Being goal-oriented is a very important part of being wealthy. Frugal millionaires' goal is to become financially independent, which enables them to visualize future benefits of their goal. This makes their life happier and financially protected than high-income millionaires who are not financially secure. Planning financial future. Frugal millionaires spend more hours every month on studying and planning their financial future than the high-income millionaires. By doing this, they get more experience with their planning and become wise investors. Taxes and millionaires. Income tax is one of the largest expenditure for all of us. Then what will be the tax situation for millionaires? High-income millionaires spend a large amount of earning paying taxes as their goal is to earn more and spend more. So their high income leads to high taxes for them. But frugal millionaires spend less and invest more. So they reduce their taxes as they invest money in instruments which generate money with no or less taxes. In this way, by living below their means, true millionaires build their stronger wealth. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you are interested, please do watch our other book reviews. We also recommend you to watch our next. Don't forget to click on like and share. And for more content, subscribe to our channel. See you next time to make you a wise pursuer of your dreams. Thank you.